Ordering new member kit is one of the most tedious tasks for a table secretary. Nevertheless, let's make it easy. Before you get into ordering of NM kit, make sure you collect all the data of the prospect at one go. Basically, his personal details, his photo, scanned copy of Aadhaar, and the payment receipt for the NM kit. When I was a secretary, I used this kind of a form where I used to send it to the prospect and collect all his data at one go. The link for this form is attached in the description of the video. You can download it, edit the details, and send it to the prospect so that he can fill it and send it to you. So once received, you can enter all the details at one go. So once you click national, you select internal extension, you enter the email ID first, because all the data for a tabler is stored behind his email ID. So once you enter, all the fields get active. You can enter the name, date of birth. Please make sure you have it handy with the Aadhaar. Your proposed date of induction, the tabler who has proposed this prospect, his qualification of the prospect, blood group, shirt size, mobile number, Aadhaar number, hobbies, business details, upload his image, upload his age proof, which is basically his Aadhaar card, and the payment proof where he has made this amount of 3776 to this Roundtable India account. After this, you can click next, enter the spouse name, spouse email, spouse phone number, all the details. Again, click next. His residence details, address details, and the office address details, where all the other communication goes to this address, whichever he selected, whether residence or office. Twinkler, you can click add twinkler name, date of birth, male or female. Any number of twinklers he can add his twinklers. Not and now once you enter all these details, please click on request. The data will go to the secretariat. The secretariat will call up the prospect for another verification. If in case you are very urgent to get the induction done, the prospect can call up the secretariat and get the other verification done. Once the other verification is done, the NM kit will be sent to the chairman address. Sitting chairman, table chairman, his address, the NM kit will be sent. Any doubts? Please do follow up the AST or please do ping here on comments. Thank you.